So this is my main relay. It is found underneath the dashboard, right? There's a bracket that goes through here and it mounted underneath the dashboard. Let me give you a few. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So when you go underneath the dash, you look up, right? There's this right here. This is the main relay. You see that bracket slide right by the side right here? Now, I just changed mine. And let me get back out so I can tell you what was the symptoms. Alright, so what happened is that when I switch my ignition on, let me get my keys. Bear with me. Alright, so when I switch my ignition on, let me get this in. That green light that you see right there, it never used to come on. Sometimes it used to happen. When it's cold, the car starts perfect. See, the car starts now. Now, see it's flashing? Now, when you, sometimes it don't come on. When it don't come on, the car won't start. You just crank but it won't start. Alright? So, what I bought, I had this problem before because my wife had a 99 Honda card. And it happened before, so this is the second time it's happening. So this one, with this one, it's all broken right here because I opened it. I'm gonna open it and show you something in a few. So with this one, I was having that problem with my wife's car. What happened is that she was driving and she stopped and she went to some function and she came out and the car wouldn't start. So I had to get the car towed home and I checked it out. It was the main relay, which is the same thing underneath the dashboard. This is the same relay that use on this same main relay work on the 2000 Civic. I'm not sure all the cars that it work on, but I know it work on a 2000 Civic because I tried the one I tried it on a 2000 Civic and it worked. But anyway, now when I opened this, I realized that the soldering, let me see, the soldering on the circuit board, let me see if I can get a real close up of it. Let me see. Right here. Oh man. I don't think it's gonna focus. But on this one right here. Alright, see? You see the small cracks in it? Some small cracks. Some small cracks right around the edges right here. That, when it's hot, it expands, so it don't make contact. So like today, it was a hot day, so it wouldn't start for nobody. So I had it in my backpack, so I just pop it out and put it in. And as soon as I put it in, it cranked right up. But and look at this. I just realized I had some looking like watermark on this right here. But anyway, that's not the problem right though. But this one right here is cracked. I can resolder this and it worked fine. But I had the new one, so I'm gonna just put a new one in it and just call it a day. So this is practically how inside of it look. Has two relay inside. I know one control the fuel pump and one maybe for the ignition. Let's see the main relay. So that's my little problem I had, and I started. The car is running fine now. So that's it for now. Oh, I need to give you guys an update on the car. What? I'm gonna just pass around the car real quick. Since I haven't done an update on the car. So let me just walk around the car real quick. I won't go. So why is this thing not focusing? Alright. It's dirty now, but I put some wheels on it. Change the headlight. You see? It's dirty now. See? Put on the visor and all them stuff. I did a muffler delete. Change them tail lights. See? So I'm gonna wash it tomorrow anyway, so maybe tomorrow when I wash it I do another video and post it. But I did some 17-inch wheels on it. The one that when I bought it, it had 16-inch wheels, 16-inch wheels on it with some garbage tires. So I'm using the Hankook Ventus Sport, which some good tires, real nice. It's a 225 45 17s. So that's it, and it sounds good with the delete. I'm gonna give it a start so you guys can hear it. It's real quiet. Idling, you won't hear it. So go in the back. Has a nice little round sound to it. Don't know if you guys hearing it, but let me see. I can get you guys the sound of it. Let's see. I'll be back. So when it's idling, you barely hear it. When it's warm up, you won't hear it. When it's cold, you hear it idling. So it's cool now. Cool. So just giving a shout out to my UPS guy. Alright, so people, that's it. I have the fog lights to go on. I have the front lip to go on. So when I do the front lip and I do the fog lights and put the spoiler on, I'll do an update. And I have the emblems to go on too. So that should be it for now. So when I put all the stuff on, I give you guys another update. Alright. So peace out, fam. Take care. One love.